Time to take matters into our own hands. This is how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for iOS and Android. So this works in 2026. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, I got the joystick. I got the bar on the right side. This is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So this actually works, guys. It's super awesome. So as you can see, we can change all the settings. So it's just so cool. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So as you can see, we got map. We can change our speed, which is pretty cool. So this is a great spoofer for you. So as you can see, we need the trainer code before we start this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and get the trainer code. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. Alright, so now we're going to go to the website. So this is the site. It's called ispoofpogo.net. So once you're on the site, guys, there's going to be a button that says inject spoofer now. So you just want to go ahead and press that. And you can read all about it here, as you can see. So that's pretty cool. So there's tons of information. So I'm just going to go ahead and press inject spoofer now. So at this point, it is going to ask for the trainer code. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in right here. So let me just put it in. Press continue. And before we do this, it's going to say like authenticating server and stuff. So you just want to wait for it to go ahead and load. It's going to ask you whether you want the custom edition or the full edition. This does not make a difference. So I'm going to do full edition. I'm going to press continue. And now it's going to load up. So let's just give it a second for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. Alright, so as you can see, it's loading right here. So I'm just going to let it load up, as you can see. Alright, so initializing. Alright, let's see if it goes through. So there we go, guys. So now it says ready to import. So I'm going to press I'm not a robot, and let's see if it works. Alright, so it should go through, guys, and it says failed. Try again. So I'm going to go ahead and try again. So let's see if it works this time. And it should go through, and let's see if this finishes. And there we go, guys. So it works. So be sure to try this out. It's super cool. So that's how I get it for your device. But yeah, if you guys want to get Pokemon Go Spoofer, be sure to try it out. You can see we got the joystick. So this is super wild. So be sure to try it out. There's no jailbreak or anything. So I hope this video works for you. But you can see right here all the settings. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, try it out for yourself. You can see right here all the stuff. So this is super wild. So if this video works for you, definitely tell your friends. You can see you can change the speed. So this is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out.